Let's take a look at 15 times 13. We're going to walk through this using the concrete, representational, and abstract with meaning. Looking at the concrete, using our base 10 blocks, we're going to model 15. So we have 1 10 and 5 ones. And we're going to model 13, 1 10 and 3 ones. Okay? So we have 15 times 13 modeled here on our map. So if I have 10 times 10, that equals 100. 5 ones times 110 equals 5 tens, which is a value of 50. Okay, so here go my 5 tens. One 10 times 3 ones is 3 tens, which is a value of 30. And 5 ones times 3 ones has a value of 15 ones. Okay. So let's look at our products again. 10 times 10 equals 100. 5 ones times 110 is 5 tens, has a value of 50. 110 times 3 ones has a value of 30. And 5 ones times 3 ones has a value of 15. So now, moving on to the representational phase, let's draw this out on an area model. So drawing this out on an area model here, okay? So I'm breaking out the value of each digit. So 15 is 10 and 5, and 13 is 110 and 3 ones, okay? So 10 times 10 is 100. 5 ones times 110 is 50. 110 times 3 ones is 30. And 5 ones times 3 ones is 15 ones, okay? So when I go through and add these products together, 100 plus 50 plus 30 plus 15 equals 195. So let's take a look at the abstract, but let's do it with meaning, not the traditional way where we put the 0 and move it over, put the 0 as a placeholder. So we have 15 times 13, okay? So I have 3 ones times 5 ones is 15 ones. Isn't that what we saw right here? And isn't that what we have right here? This method, this is called partial products. So now I have 3 ones and 1 10. 3 ones, 1 10. It's a value of 30. 3 ones and 1 10 is a value of 30. Okay. Now I have 110 and 5 ones. Let's find that on our base 10 blocks. 110, 5 ones has a value of 50. And we can even have that down here on our area model. 110, 5 ones has a value of 50. And then 110 and times 110 has a value of 100. 110 times 110 has a value of 100. Okay? Students did not have, we go through and add our partial products together. And the product of 15 times 13 is 195.